Let me wish you all a very happy Indian Republic Day. Greetings to all of you on the 72nd or the 72 Republic Day of the world's largest and most vibrant democracy. We celebrate the national festival of the Republic Day with enthusiasm and express our respect for the national flag and our faith in the Constitution of India. We know we celebrate the Republic Day as the Constitution of India came into effect on the 26th January in 1950. This day has come to mean a lot to all of us, especially to all the Indians and Indians living abroad, because 71 years ago, on this day, we have adopted and enacted and gave ourselves to our unique constitution. For all of us, then this is the day also to pause and ponder over the core values that the Constitution propounds. And I'm sure all the students and teachers and parents, we have learned the core values of the Constitution: justice, liberty, equality, fraternity. And these are outlined in the preamble of the Constitution, and they are sacred to all of us. And we know that keeping the constitutional values and the morality of the Constitution, India has produced great intellectuals right from the days, scientists, mathematicians, scholars, philosophers, political leaders in India and abroad as well. So that is the spirit of our Constitution, where equality, liberty, fraternity, and justice prevails. Now, during this pandemic year, India has demonstrated again to the whole world the equality, the justice, and the fraternity. Now, I refer to the famous site of Maha Upanishad and Rigveda, where it speaks about Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, which means the world as one family. The pandemic has hit us more than a year, and since the first COVID case reported in Wuhan, China, it's more than a year and a month. And now, India stood resilient during these pandemic times. While the West have devastated figures, India survived, resilient, and served the whole world. The largest vaccination drive program started in India on the 16th of January, just a year after the pandemic. And it's through homemade indigenous vaccine production, which is a blessing to the whole world. 3 billion people in India will be vaccinated through this world's largest vaccination drive. India has trained 200,000 vaccinators to run this program. 29,000 cold storages have been built, and there are many more under construction to preserve the vaccine. Now, India initiated Vaccine Maitri. I'm sure this is a new term to many of us, but Vaccine Maitri is also called as vaccine friendship or vaccine diplomacy. Now, during this pandemic, India is trying, and India has already started, to send free vaccine to the region and to the neighborhood countries. That is Vaccine Maitri. India volunteered to help the border-sharing countries with free vaccine, and it has already started. India gifted 50 lakh vaccine doses, which are 5 billion doses, to the whole world. It has sent to Bhutan, the Maldives, Nepal, Myanmar, and Bangladesh. As part of the vaccine diplomacy drive, New Delhi sent 150,000 doses to Bhutan and Maldives. 1 million doses were sent to Bangladesh, 2 million doses are sent to Nepal, and consignments are on the way for Myanmar, Mauritius, and Seychelles. Afghanistan and Sri Lanka are on the list to receive the vaccine. Brazil and Morocco have signed commercial agreement with India. While the neighborhood countries, the SAARC countries, have received the vaccine free of cost, 50 lakhs doses, India's Vaccine Maitri has enabled to demonstrate to the whole world that we cater, we nurse the whole world. UK and Belgium have requested for vaccine
Children, all
from
of you
India.
sit. Principal sir is only
Now,
addressing.
the Dominican Republic
sit.
also sent a
We are
letter to
not
the Prime
live,
Minister
children,
of
now
India
because
to
he has
supply
connected
vaccine.
over there. Now we again
South
will come
Africa,
back. Okay, sit
Kenya, African
just a
continent is
practice or
looking
something?
forward to India
No practice.
to
We
share and
started.
to get the vaccine.
Okay.
I think, why does India
Ma'am, there's live in the
produce
YouTube.
so much vaccine?
If anybody wants, they can go and
Because
see it.
we
Yes, it's
have
on the live
the most
YouTube live
efficient
going on. Once principal sir
vaccine
finishes, then
producing
we'll be added to the
companies
YouTube again. In the
approved by
beginning,
the
we were on
US
live. Again,
in India.
we break, then again we'll be added. Okay?
And
The
Indian
camera is now focused on the
vaccine
principal
is
sir.
very cost effective. Indian vaccine firms have top-notch standards, and India is considered as the world's
Yes, Jijay.
pharmacy. 50% of global demand of vaccine is produced in India, and that speaks louder than all that we speak. 170 countries across the world import Indian medicines and drugs. World's largest vaccine manufacturer, Serum Institute, is in India, and it produces 1.5 billion doses a year. No other institute produces such a large quantity in the world. So, India is compassionate to the whole world, and it has been our legacy. Right from ancient times, we have accommodated every individual, every faith, every religion, and we supported every human being because we consider the world as one family, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. While the whole world stopped to export any chemicals to any parts of the world, since July, India supplied hydroxychloroquine, HCQ, ventilators, masks, and any other apparatus like gloves to the whole world. It had trained the neighborhood medicos from the neighbor-sharing countries to deal with the pandemic. I think we are the role models to show to the whole world that we consider world as one family. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam is in our blood, and it is the essence of our history. It is the source of our energy. And as we live in UAE, being abroad, we need to applaud and we need to share our feelings and sentiments of gratitude to our fellow Indians in India who contribute to the whole world. We salute our fellow Indians who make us proud, be the farmers, be the soldiers, our scientists, educationists, and doctors. Now, as a commitment, and as we value the world as one family, as the best followers of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, let us thank the UAE government for providing all of us the free vaccine. And we are proud to declare today that 73% of our staff are vaccinated as on today. And our pledge is that we will be 100% vaccinated in the school. And my dear parents and other fellow colleagues, let us pledge today, in union with the government of UAE, to consider it as our responsibility to be vaccinated. So let us take vaccine and contain the spread of the virus. It's our responsibility to demonstrate that we speak, we follow, and we show in all our actions Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, world as one family. Jai Hind. Thank you so much.